guys, Royal Luna here.
Royal Aki.
So today we don't have a reaction to any videos. We are instead doing an unboxing, and it's an unboxing of 17's new 17 is right here best of. And oh, I'm excited for this. Considering how bad the music video got me and Mochi. Oh, here's the
Little top
piece. I think it's so cool that they made it look like a little building like this. Okay.
Open the box.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, PCs are in this. We also have a bonus, and I'm going to just hand these over to her.
You're asking me.
Well, you know Jonghan.
Oh, there's a lot of PCs in there.
Oh, crap. All right.
We got the same guy as the card.
Oh, shit! Mochi's gonna kill us! Mochi is gonna kill us! Mochi is going to kill us! I'm pretty damn sure that's either...
I think that's Scoops.
No, that's
That's
not. That's either Hoshi or Woozy. I think that's Hoshi.
No, I think that's Woozy. Because Hoshi has more of a slim face.
Oh, you're right. That is Woozy. Oh, dear. Look. Oh, God. Can you tell who any of them are?
No.
She doesn't know 17 quite well. How many are there?
13, I think.
Let me see. Oh, my Lord. Oh, shit.
I think it's 13.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, hello. Ah! Okay, so we have... Okay, I'm not going to get these names right. We have... I think that's the 8. No, that's Scoops. That's Scoops.
Are there names on the back of them?
No. Junghan! We're gonna have to ask Mochi who half of these are. It's fine. I know that's June.
That's one of yours?
Yeah. We'll figure that out. This is Woozy, I believe. I'll let you look through them again here in a second. I want to say that's... I'm not sure. And part of me wants to say that's Shua, but I'm probably wrong. Yeah, I think we did get one of everybody. Oh my gosh.
So are we going to have to send those two to Mochi?
Probably. Because you know Woozy's like one of her alts.
If it is Woozy.
I'm pretty sure that's Woozy. Oh wow, we got some good ones of the boys. And I think this is the
That's probably the book.
This is
The
that's
album.
the disc. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's like a little invite for the album.
What's this? Okay, here's the lyric book. That's the lyric book. I think that might be
It's like a photo booklet. Okay, that's kind of cool. I don't know how well y'all can see that. Trying not to block Aki either. I think, oh, I know what these are. I think these are booklets of each unit. Team Hip Hop, right, it is. It's like each unit. Each unit has, oh my god, that's
one's
cool.
Got Hoshi, June, V8, and Dino.
That's, oh god.
Performance.
And here's the vocal unit. Scoops, Wanwoo, Mingyu, and Vernon. Woozy, Jonghan, Shua, DK, and Sungkwan. And then this is...
I already mentioned that
yeah.
one.
Oh, that's cool.
And then that is Chonky Chonk.
There's more. Hold on.
This is the photo book.
This is... Oh my god, and this is like an album book of their albums. A photo book of their album. Oh, that's cool.
Wanna bet this is a poster?
Probably. Okay, I'm afraid, but I'm curious. It is. Ooh, that's a good one of the boys. Oh, we did good.
I mean, Mochi's gonna hate us.
Probably. Oh my gosh. I gotta send pictures of her. Pictures of all this to her. Oh, she's gonna be so mad.
Yeah, she's gonna be a salty.
She's gonna be a salty mochi.
Do we want to put those back in this thingy?
Not yet. I'm gonna send these to Mochi and like confirm who's who. I mean, obviously, we know where this is going. We know where the Woozy is going. We know this.
That's going to go in the
I am going to take all this out because this stuff we're going to go through at a later time. This we got to find room for on the shelf. But we will do that in a minute. So needless to say, 17 did it again. This album is amazing.
There was this one, and then there was a pink one, and the one we got, technically, the two versions I just said, we got at Walmart.
Yep. These ones are 50. There is a smaller version that's just a blue album for 30, but we are hardcore carrots, so we decided to splurge and get the deluxe. I guess you could say.
We were listening to 17 on the way to Walmart to get groceries. Decided, what the heck? Let's go check what albums they might have. Didn't find any in the mini section. Walked down to the new releases. Luna zoned right in on that one.
Yep. Neither of us thought Walmart was going to have it. Neither of us were convinced Walmart was going to have anything. And then as soon as we turned that corner, I zoomed in like, oh my god, they have it. And we were just like, nope, that's coming home with us.
Yeah, it's like, when are we going to find it for this price in a Walmart?
Exactly. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.